Hey, what's up? Dilio coming to you live, representing DilioT2K.com. Make sure you check out my links in the description below. If you want to buy some gear, check out my links, the Zounds links. If you want to get some equipment, it'll help me out, no additional cost to you. Let's dive right into it. We're not going to waste a lot of your time right now. We're going to dive right into it. This is a video about how to basically set up your sound, how to basically add a filter and LFO to your sound. Let's start right there, because this plugin has a lot of stuff and I want to dive right into it, but give you a starting point. So as you can see, when you start up Serum 2, you just got a sawtooth right there, right? So see here how it kind of sounded harsh. So I want to add a filter. So in order to do that, I got to go to this block here, which is the filter block, turn it on. Here how it sounds different. Now this is subtractive synthesis, so it's going to bring it down, kind of smooth out a little bit, and you got all these filter options here. Like, let's just look at this comp. It could just change the sound however you want to do it, but we're just going to work with the basic Moog Low. And so as we change that filter, so let's add some modulation to that. So in order to do that, you got to go to the LFO, and we're going to drag that right there, right? So now, notice we got some movement. So this low frequency oscillator is modulating this. We can make it go faster, or slower. We can add a different pattern to it. Maybe we want to go make it sound like this. You can speed it up, slow it down, right? And if you want to remove this and start over from scratch, all you got to do is right click on the knob, reset control, or right click on remove all modulators. Nothing there. But let's see if I want to do another envelope. You can do the same thing over here with all these modulators here. You can add an envelope to it. So let's do that. Let's add an envelope to it right here. And what we need to do, we need to make that decay come down a little bit. That sustain come down a little bit. And what I like to do is, see how we just only got like a small little bit of range right there? I can just... And if you want to add that there, now we got a little bit of modulation from here. And if I want to drop it down and kind of turn it into a bass, you can drop it down. Go even further. Right? And so now you got your bass sound, but maybe I want to add it, make it fatter. I can add that sub in there. And then coarse it down a little bit, make it down. So you got that there. Let's see if we want to add a little bit more flavor. Let's add a little bit of Unison here. Bring it there. So you got that there. If you want to add a little bit more emphasis on a resonance, bring that in there. Speed it up a little bit with the decay. But see, it's also polyphonic too. As it's evolved, I want to break it down to mono. And if I want to let it slide a little bit with legato. So let's look at this block right here. This is very important. So in mono, you can only get one monophonic sound, meaning only one sound can play. But notice how we trigger that envelope in the filter. This is still every time I hit a note. But if I hit legato, a little resonance there. And just for fun, you can add another one. Notice how we don't hear it on the filter. We have to send it to the filter. How do we do that? Well, we see that oscillator B is also the same as oscillator B here, right? Bring it down an octave. Right, so we've kind of gone in the direction of building a bass patch. If I want to add a little unison there, I can do that. Tighten it up a little bit. Always play this. Bring that resonance down. And you can really just build from that. And if I want to blend, kind of have this kind of come in a little bit with a little bit of LFO action on that filter, I can do that. But I got to take that influence down a little bit. Speed it up a little bit. So that's basically how you build a patch. That's how you connect the filter. That's how you build an LFO. If you have any questions about this plugin, please drop them in the comments below. You're watching DailyOT2K.com. Make sure you visit my website for presets and loops. And also check out my affiliate links with sounds in case you want to pick yourself up some gear. And always remember to like, comment, subscribe, and vibe. Let's go.